Have you ever made a beautiful website and then you go to share it on Facebook and some weird chopped off image shows up looking super sloppy? Yeah, the link works, but it just looks messy and unprofessional. Sound familiar? Yeah, for me too. It's Kessiah with Radiant Websites, and lucky for us, we can totally fix this. We just need to specify what image we want to share and make sure our social share image is optimized to display on all or most platforms. I'll get to the point first, and then we'll crack into the details. If you already have a social share image, here's where it goes. In your Squarespace website, go to Settings, Social Sharing, and click the plus sign over Add a Social Logo. Choose your image and click Save. But, and I promise this part's important, we have to make sure the image is formatted correctly. Since you might be sharing your website link on any number of platforms, think about it. It could be Facebook, LinkedIn, a text message, as a post, in a comment, in Messenger, or any other number of ways. The default dimensions and the cropping are a little different for each platform. And if your image is not optimized to account for these differences, it could end up looking like this. Bummer. So here's the fix. You can use any design program and use this template. Go ahead and screenshot this or head to my blog post in the links to grab it from there. And you'll just follow the template. Put your content here and leave these parts empty. It's good to extend the background, so for instances when the whole square is showing, you don't get white bars at the top and the bottom. For content, you can add your logo, your title. It could be like a mini homepage or a super simplified business card, as long as it's simple and clear who and what you're sharing. Save this image and let's get back to your site to add it in. Go to Settings, Social Sharing, and click the plus sign over Add a Social Logo, or Replace if you're making an update. Choose your image and click Save. But there's one more step. Sometimes Facebook takes a minute to notice that you've changed your image, and you'll be super frustrated when you go to share your brand new updated link and it still shows your messy old image. Last fix for today, Meta's Sharing Debugger. Might be my favorite name yet. Go to developers.facebook.com/tools/debug and type in your URL. This will show you what image Facebook is pulling from the information on your site when you share your link. As you can see, even if you add your logo, if it's not formatted correctly, using a template like this one, it could still show up not looking great. So if it hasn't updated yet, click Scrape. This will ensure that Facebook will now pull from the most recent social share image info, and you can confirm by looking at the image below. And now you're all set. I hope this helps. Always let me know what other questions you have, and have a blast designing your Squarespace website.